There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you. May God Almighty continue to bless you all. Oh my God, you guys are so amazing, and I love you all so much. And if you're new to my channel and you subscribe right now, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you. May God Almighty continue to bless you all. Okay guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end, and see you on my next video. Bye. Hi my beautiful people. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to be here today. Hope you guys are doing fine guys. As for me, says yourselves, I'm doing good. Yes, I'm doing fine. So guys, today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved my long braid ponytail guys. Oh my goodness, you know what guys, I'll be needing a lot of gel today. You all know I don't like gel on my hair because of my front hair guys. But before doing that, I'll be using this oil on my head to keep the hair shiny and beautiful guys. That is it. So to protect my front hair, I'll be using this oil. Oh my goodness. Yeah, to protect my hair from breaking. That is just it. If you are the type that don't have long hair, before using gel on your hair, you have to part your hair into 3 parts or any parts, for the gel to stick in. That is just it guys. But for me today, I will be doing my own this way. And if you don't like gel like me, you can actually do it like this and just go ahead to do your ponytail the way you want it. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm putting the gel, just putting it. Oh my goodness. That is just it. I just have to explain this today. I'm so tired, but don't worry, I will keep on talking. Yeah, oh my goodness. So as you can see, the way I'm just putting the gel, just using this little hairbrush to stick everything in. So that is just, it's just simple to do and very easy and fast to do. Okay. Yeah, that is just it. Okay, let me quickly give shout out to my beautiful people, my subscribers. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so beautiful. You guys are so everything. For always coming back to support me, to watch my video, to share my video. Oh my God, you guys are making me going far. Okay, I'm so happy and I'm grateful to you all. Okay, so after putting the gel, I will just use this brush to stick everything inside. I will be using this spray gel to make everything strong, to make the hair strong. Okay, so that is just it. So try to understand me this afternoon. Okay. So I received a message that says, "Oh, Cecil says, why are you posting just once a week? I have a lot of things doing, guys. Yeah, blah blah blah. I have a lot of things doing. That's why. But don't worry. After the holiday, I will be back with my 2 videos. Okay, I have a lot of videos." To edit it is the problem. So right now I'm just drying this hair, and I did this for about 20 minutes guys. And you can also tie your hair this way if you want to protect your front hair. That is just it. Okay, so So right now I'll be using this expression. Although I'm going to be using two color, I can't do with that colored hair, so I don't know what to say. So that is it. Okay, so I'm using all the entire length, not cutting. So adding this beautiful color to this black. Yeah. Yes, guys. So it's very, very easy to do, very, very quick. That is just it. That is just it, guys. You can actually do this for yourself. If you don't get it today, trust me, you are going to get it tomorrow. Keep on learning, like me. I'm still learning. I'm not perfect, and always remember, nobody is perfect. Yeah, nobody is perfect. We all are learning every day. So that is what you need to keep in your mind. Okay, don't say, oh no, I can't do this, I can't do that. Trust me, you can do it. Okay, do it the way you want it to be. That's all. Just do it. Don't listen to anybody. Don't think of what people will say about what you are doing. Okay, so keep on doing it. And today is a bit so slow because of my nails. It wasn't easy using these nails to braid this hair up. But I just have to, I can't do without nails. Don't mind me. So, but at the end, it was so beautiful. Trust me, it was so beautiful. It doesn't look as if I used nail to braid the hair. Yeah, it was so beautiful, and I was so happy to see the end, guys. So if you are going somewhere very fast and you don't know the kind of hair to do, just do this because it's very fast, easy to do. Trust me. When I say it's easy and fast, it is and fast. When you don't have nails on, oh my goodness, it's very, very, very fast to do. So that is just it. It's not hard. So good. Alright, guys, that is it. Thank you for always supporting me for more business. Go down below on my description box. You see my email there, my Instagram is there. So send me a message. Yeah, send me anything. So let me talk about your business. Okay, alright. Keep on sharing my video. Keep on watching my video. Keep on supporting your baby girl. You can actually do it this way, but if you don't want, just leave your hair like that. Okay, leave the braid like that. It's okay. It's good to go. Oh my goodness, look at her. I told you the end is so beautiful. Okay, so that would be all for this very video. Yeah, so beautiful, guys. I love the hair so much. After the much gel, oh my goodness, gel is everything. When you don't have problem with your front hair, oh my god, it's so good. You can also do it this way. Can't you say it's so beautiful? What do you think? I think this is more beautiful than the long ponytail, guys. Yeah, so that
There's
is it,
not
guys.
much
See you
to
on the next
do
video, and bye.
when all I can is thinking about you.